Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Mailchimp for custom branded landing pages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. In the settings menu, look for the Extras tab. Click on API keys from the drop-down options. If you don't have an API key yet, click on the Create a Key button. Your new API key will be generated and displayed. Make sure to copy this key to your clipboard. Next, open the website or platform where you want to create custom branded landing pages. Locate the section for integrating with Mailchimp. Paste your API key into the designated field. After pasting, look for an Authorize or Connect button and click it. The system will verify your key and notify you upon successful authorization. If there's an error, double-check that you copied the entire API key correctly. Once authorized, proceed to customize your landing page as needed. Add your branding elements, including logos and colors. Save your changes to ensure everything is up to date. Finally, preview your landing page to see how it looks. You are now ready to use your Mailchimp account for custom branded landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.